We are giving my room a extreme makeover. It's been a long time coming, literally, like I don't know how much I've talked about it, but in my old house I was supposed to give my room a makeover, but we had to move, and I had bought all of the furniture and all that stuff, but it was literally packed up for like 3 years, y'all, no lie. And I kept telling y'all, yeah, I'm gonna do a room makeover, I'm gonna do a room makeover. She never came, but it is finally time and I'm so excited. This has literally been in the process, like I've been in the process since 2023 of April, and I'm not even exaggerating. Like I'm gonna insert clips so that you guys can see. I'm not lying. Since 2023 I've been shopping and buying stuff for my room because I knew how I wanted my room to look and I had an idea, but I didn't want to rush it either. But yeah, the time has come and I'm super excited. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of how my room currently looks. She's very bland and boring, but she's gonna look good, top tier, once I'm done. Okay, we come in, boring wall here, and then we head towards my end table, very boring as well. And then my walls are obviously blank, and then I have my bed here with this cheetah print pillow that I took from my mom, my old green comforter set, my comforter that's getting upgraded and not keeping, this throw blanket that I put, and then on this side you have my closet here. I have a few decorations over there, and then my little end table. I have my desk that's gonna get an upgrade, it's gonna look cute, and my chair, and then I have a box of books right here, my new clothing hamper, my old hamper that is leaving my room, she has to go, and then I have my mirror that I decided to keep because I was gonna get a new one, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. And then also, if you guys watched my other videos, you guys saw that I built all my furniture. Well, my mom helped me. I didn't do it by myself. My mom helped me, and then my sister's boyfriend helped me because I was not gonna sit there and do all of that. So in the next few clips, it's me shopping since 2023. So enjoy. So we are going into Five Below to look for some room decor for my room. I bought some, but it's some stuff I still need, so we are going to go look inside. This is cute, but I don't think it matches the color of my thing. It's green though. Hi. All right, y'all, we at TJ Maxx. Y'all, so y'all seen how I got a white carpet from Five Below, but then I thought about it. I already have a lot of white stuff in my room. I need a pop of color. So we're gonna go in TJ Maxx to see if they have any like rugs or anything like that. They have these rugs, but I want one with a pop of color because my room is green. That's a mess. I need something like a brown. Well, my carpet's already brown. Guys, I know it looked crazy, but I am about to go into Marshall's to see if they have any room decor. I need to find like more lighting for my room, maybe some cream bed sheets or like white, but I have enough white in my room, so like cream bed sheets, and then maybe I need a curtain rod. I know that for sure, but look at this candle, and it's only $10. It's cute. I think I'm gonna get it. Look how cute these are. These are so cute, and they're only 20 bucks. Fitted sheets, so let's see which ones look good for my bed, because I have this color, but I don't want it. Like, I can do cream. I think cream will look really cute for my covers, like cream. I don't want no floral. Yo, look at these trash cans. These are so cute. I love the white with the brown. That literally matches my room. Like, it's so cute. Guys, it's time for me to give you guys a haul of all of my decor. Literally, look. all of it from the past few years basically that I've been collecting stuff. The only thing that's literally the same is my like little mushroom lamp. That's really it. Everything else is new. In the previous clips you guys saw that I went to IKEA, Five Below, Burlington. I went to so many places, like even throughout the years I've been to so many places, but everything is here. But from IKEA I got a pegboard, and I'm gonna put some inspiration pics up here of what I want to do with it for my wall by my desk. Then I ended up getting some accessories to go with it, and I actually got more accessories. I went to Target the day before yesterday, and I got like more stuff. But I got this candle, and then I got a hanging beaded plant holder. Oh, and another thing that's the same is my jewelry organizers, but I'm gonna see if I want to keep these. I got 2 floating wall shelves, and another thing that's the same is my cute little white plants. I got a desk organizer. I got another candle, a Whitney Houston pop. I love Whitney Houston. I got this cute vase, 2 frames to put pictures in. Got this bubble candle. I got this plant. It's fake. I got this from Five Below. I got a little bit more fake plants, but instead these are brown. Starting on this side, I went to Tampa with my aunt because she lives in Tampa. She took me and my mom to this store that sells like furniture and stuff for your room, and I found this, y'all, and I already know exactly where I'm gonna put it at. It's so cute. I got this cute little accent pillow. Found this cute little green flower tray. Then when I went to Five Below, I found this cute wavy mirror. And then a long time ago I went to Ross. I went to Ross a long time ago and found this cute little vanity mirror that lights up. I don't wear makeup, but I do my skincare. Mom found me this Bible scripture, and it looks like that, and I think it's gonna be very cute in my room. Then I ended up getting a white carpet from Five Below. I have my comforter set right here. Y'all, I went to Five Below and found this big green checkerboard carpet that I'm gonna put on my floor, and I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait. And then the last bag that I got, I went to Marshall's frame sheet set because I didn't want white because my bed's already white and I already have a lot of white stuff in my room. So I was like, I'll bring out a little more brown. I got this trash can. I got another candle, y'all. This is for decoration. I'm not gonna burn this one, but the other 2 I will burn. It's a mushroom candle. And then the last thing that I got is this rotating beauty organizer. This is all my room stuff, but what I am gonna do first is I'm gonna strip my bed and put on my new comforter. And I forgot to show you guys in my haul, I bought this brown bamboo laundry basket. I think it's so cute. It brings out the brown as well. Alright, the bed is done. I love this green. I love the decorative pillows. I gotta get 2 more pillows for that match my fitted sheet. Hey y'all, say hey mom. Ooh. Hi. Okay. Mom, she just came back from walking, y'all. Okay, we finna put up my wall decor. The nails go there. Yeah. Okay.
So
okay, so I'm just gonna wait for mom to come help me with this, but this is up, that is up, that is up. I'm gonna start decorating this. Should I do that or should I gotta fix my bed again, but actually we're gonna start decorating my end table and then make my way around my room. Okay, this is how I did my end table. I might like change it. I think it's cute. I might just leave it like that. But I got everything here that I want to put up on this fixture right here. So I think the next thing I'm going to work on is my desk because I'm very excited to do that. So I'm going to clear all of this off and then start sorting out how I want my decorations to look. Okay, so like I showed you guys before, I have a skincare organizer and it rotates. So I was going to put it right here. I think that would be cute. And then I was going to put my green thingy right here and then put my mirror in the middle. I also bought these drawer organizers because my drawers look a mess. So we are going to organize my drawers. Okay guys, so my white carpet, I was going to put it underneath here because I think that'll be super cute, especially for pictures. So we're going to lay down my carpets. Hey guys, so it is a few days later. The time has come for me to give you guys a room tour. I'm so excited. I'm obsessed with how my room turned out and I know you guys are gonna like it. It's literally giving real life Pinterest and I took inspo from Pinterest because why not? So it's time for the room tour. Okay, so when you first enter my room, this is my door, and then on your right hand side I have a fixture right here. So I have a plant, some books, more plants, bubble candle, a picture of myself, candles and all that stuff. I'm obsessed. And then as we continue to go inward, I have my end table that I love. I have my little lamp here, my journals. I have a picture frame, another candle, and a vase with some little fake plants on it. And then as you come here to this side, here is my bed that I'm very obsessed with. And then I got some little picture frames here and a quote in the middle. And I have some little fairy lights going on here that are blinking right now. I'm really obsessed with my bed, y'all. I think this whole section is like the cutest thing ever. And also, I forgot to show you guys, I have my carpet right here. I decided to put it next to my bed because I have this big open space. And then as we go over, I have two shelves here. So the first shelf is my Whitney Houston Funko Pop, my little plant, a little butterfly, sage green butterfly. On the second one, I have a candle here, my puppy who my friend got made for me once he passed away, and I got this little mushroom, like it's supposed to be a lamp but it doesn't light up, so it's just like for decoration. Enter over here. Here's my mirror. The sun is like very bright right now. It's my mirror, and then I have my carpet right here on the floor, which I think is so cute. It adds more like decor to my room, I guess. And then I have my bamboo laundry basket. Over here I have some books and my towel, which should not be there, but as we come this way, this is my favorite section of my room so far. I have my desk, my little furry chair. I have a little accent pillow that I sit on there, and then my trash can here. I have my little rotating skincare organizer with my hair care and skincare. I have a little fake plant. I have a mushroom candle. I have my light up mirror, but I accidentally broke a spring, so she don't light up, which I'm very sad about because that's just crazy. I have another fake plant, and then I have my like green tray with all of my perfumes and lotions. I have my pegboard, so just a picture of my brother, of my niece, me when we went on a cruise, a bookmark, some headphones, like pens and pencils, and this Jay from Las Vegas. I have my little end table, like I have my mirror that I got, a fake plant, this little light up ball, so it lights up like different colors. And I have some perfumes here. I have my Bible and my journal that I do every morning. And then in here, I just like clothing. And over here is my jewelry organizer. As you guys see, I don't have that much jewelry. I gotta buy some more. And then I have my door to my closet right here. And then the last thing is my mirror, another mirror. That is it for today's video. This video literally took so long, but it was worth it because I'm obsessed with my room. I love how everything turned out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.